Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Glowhouse Beauty 6 in 1 Combo Kit, a complete makeup set that's got everything you need for a flawless face look all in one affordable package, perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a streamlined routine. This kit includes foundation, primer, liquid concealer, loose powder, compact powder, and a makeup fixer setting spray. So let's dive in and see if it's worth the hype. First up, the packaging. It's simple and practical, shipped by brands like the Beauty Bazaar on Amazon. Everything arrived intact, which is a win. Starting with the primer, it's lightweight and smooth. I applied it with my fingers and it blurred my pores, instantly creating a perfect canvas. Love that grip for foundation. Next, the foundation. It's creamy with buildable coverage. I blended it with a sponge and it evened my skin tone without feeling heavy. Matches my shade pretty well. The liquid concealer is a gem, high coverage and creamy. I dabbed it under my eyes and on blemishes. It hid everything and brightened me up. No creasing here. Then the loose powder, super fine and lightweight. I dusted it over my T-zone with a puff and it locked everything in with a matte finish. No shine all day. The compact powder is perfect for touch-ups, velvety and smooth. I patted it on midday and my makeup stayed fresh, great for on the go. Finally, the makeup fixer setting spray. A few spritzes and my look was sealed. I tested it through a busy day and it's waterproof and long-lasting. Stayed vibrant without smudging. This kit's versatile, affordable, and skin-friendly. Not luxury, but amazing value for a full face routine. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video with a full look using this set. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.